So yeah, hello everyone. Events here actually. Yep, this is another chill Gamedev stream. Oh, gods, I have my stream running on my phone and I forgot to turn off the sound. Lol. Yep. So yeah, I'm back. I didn't stream on Thursday, even though I wanted to because I had a lot of things to do. And actually, I still have, and I barely slept last night. So this isn't going to be like a big stream or anything. Yeah. So yeah, I guess let's get to work or something. Yep. So last time we were figuring out async tasks, all of that parallel stuff in Unreal. And this time we're going to try implementing it. Yeah, because you remember our problem was that um, we have the beginning of the like navigation mesh generation things, and that beginning is pretty slow, and it's only going to get even more complicated after this. So we need to make sure that what we have right now runs as fast as possible. And yeah, I guess the only way to do that, I mean, as fast and as smooth as possible. The only way to do that is actually by using multi-threading and all that cool stuff. So, last time I figured out how to do multi-threading in Unreal, and today we have to implement it. The first things first, I guess. Let's make a short plan. What we're going to do first, we will implement async tasks into a voxelization system. We're not going to touch the filtering right now. I'm not even sure if we are going to like work on it today on the filtering system. Like add it to filtering. Yeah, maybe not today. Yeah, this is basically the plan. This is the plan for today. I mean, this is the plan for today. Implement async tasks to voxelization system. So I guess I'm just going to like go into my controller and disable the filtering for now. Let's see how fast it runs. Why is it lagging so much? What's happening? My avatar seems to be good, so Unreal isn't really should be really killing my system right now. Oh. It's bad. Like really bad. I guess I need to close this. Maybe it's taking too much RAM. I don't believe that's the issue, honestly. Oh, wait. Was from me selecting this thing? What? What was that? Why was it so slow? I don't remember it being so slow and previously. That's fascinating. Oh. Yeah, now it's lightning fast. I guess it was some kind of a bug. So we don't have a filter in here. So, yeah. I mean, the voxelization process is pretty fast, honestly. Yeah. I click and it does this pretty quickly, but we still need to parallel this. Also, I mean, it's not the full resolution. I think 150 is like the target resolution, and it takes slightly more time when we do that. Yeah. And also, it's going to be great practice before actually we implement async tasks into like the filtering system, because the filtering system is a lot more work. Right, let's open up the voxelization component. Basically, what I think about, what I was thinking about for the past days is that, I mean, to call a function from an async task, we probably need to make it static. cannot be like referencing any variables from like this place, from the hash file, from the class defaults, everything we pass to it to view. I mean, the only data it works with is the one we pass to it, or the one which is actually like allocated here. So how do we do that? We basically need to make this scan voxel function like static. We want to make it static and then run this in a sync loop. Yeah. So we need to make it static somehow. So let's first go into the here we have scan voxels. This static scan voxel. So we need to pass everything it's working with here. I guess we can figure out what it is working with by just deleting this thing and looking at what funny stuff this thing is going to tell us. Oh. Yeah, my avatar just lagged because I put my hand onto my face. So we need the voxel size, subdivision factor, subdivision levels, debug mode. I don't think we're going to keep the debug mode in here. We're probably just going to remove it. Oh, and we also need to make the check area into a static one. Then to call us. So first things first. Let's fix the. Let's make the check area function static, because since we're calling it here. Oh, this is check evocable. This is another function. We need to do this one too. Wow, I have a lot of work to get this working. Yeah, I'm just repeating words. Don't judge me. I've slept for like 3 hours. Why is it not back? I need to make some changes like this. Basically. Can IntelliSense start working, please? I don't like it when it's not working. Fine. So, make this static bool. And this a static bool. Now we need to figure out what we need to pass into the check area. We need to pass in the owner because we cannot really call for it. Oh, I know why this is highlighted the thing. Because it already knows that the IntelliSense is working properly. It just knows that this is a static function now. Visualize voxel roll position should also be a static function, huh? Oh, that's not too good, honestly. Yeah, that's definitely not very good. Let's make it static. Fine. Basically, I need to rewrite half of the voxelization system. Funny. So we will have to pass a lot of parameters into this thing. And I think we're going to define a structure for that. And pass all of the data through a structure or something. I think that's the best way to do that. But first, let's start with these things. Maybe we should pass that structure here too. Okay. Let's make it optimized and not pass the data which is not needed. So let's pass an A actor pointer to. Did I pass an A actor pointer? Did I pass like a TV pointer or something? TV object PTR. I think I should use the TV object PTR because it's thread safe or something. And since we're going to work with multi-threading, I think that's the best way to do that. TV object PTR. And this is going to be our owner. Now let's call it controller, because the owner of this thing is the navigation controller. And we should also pass in the vertical axis. Yep, we pass in the vertical axis. F vector, vertical axis. This is basically things we need to pass into this thing. It's the check area. Nice. Yep. What's wrong with this thing? Argument, least for the class. What? Oh, I know. I think this is the reason. Yep, because T weak object Peter has to gotta have this thing. The argument list or something. Yep. I'm starting to get pretty sleepy already. Yeah, to get faster. Feel like controller. It's like a get function. This get function. Yep, I think this is what we need. This is in vertical axis. In vertical axis. I think I should replace the name here too. But now it's probably not necessary to even name the variables here. I heard that it doesn't really, like, not really necessary. Oh, Unreal auto-saved. Now let's go into here. In here we have need to pass in the vertical axis again, and the voxel size, and the owner. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Quad voxel size. Call it an in voxel size. And this is in vertical axis, in voxel size. Bam bam bam. And here we'll go. Replace the get owner with controller.get brackets and all that stuff. Yep. Now let's just copy the argument list into this thing. I think it's this one. Yeah, the check if workable. Now I have the visualize voxel rel position and stuff. Enable visualization. I think we are going to remove the if enable visualization from here. We're going to make the check in here. if enable visualization, and you run this. If I go in to fix this function a little later, first things first, we have to figure this one out. And we need a T weak object, here another one. This time it's U. Static mesh, instant static mesh component. Thank you, IntelliSense. You're very kind. In visualization mesh component. Yay. Yeah, this is a long type name. This is a very long type name. In. Oh, we're also using voxel size here. And yeah, that's the only actual variable I'm using here, so I just pass in the voxel size. In voxel size. Great. And put it here. Nice. Now, I think we're going to define another structure here. Another structure! Yay! F. Pixelization. Pixelization data. F pixelization data, and it's going to have like house all of that stuff. Let's remove this. This, and this. And then we need all of these things. And I guess these things. Wait, no, actually, it might be possible that we didn't really need that. We didn't really need the visualize voxel rel position thing. We're probably fine without it. Without making it static and stuff. What's wrong? Allocate parameter name, and still didn't figure out that it's not an allocate anymore. Because we're just going to run this thing on the game thread. Yeah, we're only going to add instances in multi-threading. I don't think that's a good idea, honestly. Yeah. And we can actually bring this one there. Not to clutter the thing. So we're going to have like an separate async task here for this thing. And now this. F voxelization. Voxelization data. Yep. Now let's pass it into the scan voxel thing. Where is it? In voxelization data. Or maybe let's just call it in data. going to be a lot easier to use that way. And now let's put this here. Now I can go like in data dot voxel size and it's going to work properly. And for all these things I can just put in data here. Now this is not too hard, honestly. Yep. Oh, voxels. Adding voxels back to the thing. I think we're going to sync to like assign all of this whole thing the game back to the game thread because this should be done. Working with array with global arrays on multi-threading is also not a great idea. Yeah. But first let's fix the arguments for the check area and pick a Pokeball. I haven't really included a TVIC PTR. Oh wait, I think yeah, everything's correct. Everything's correct. I am already forgetting. What am I doing? TVIC object PTR a actor, I guess. And this is going to be like controller. Should be good. Should be good. I mean, is this good? Where is the TWIC? Yep, everything is great. Now I can just go in here and type in data dot controller, and the next is in data dot vertical axis. Yep. Now here we also need a controller. Oh yeah, makes sense. In data controller, in data vertical axis and voxel size. Not super convenient, but this is great, I think. Now let's put this into an async task. Something. Oh wait, that's not how that works. I need to have like a function which will go to this for me. Yeah. I need to create a function for this part because we aren't really writing a sync task here. We're going to be writing it here. So assigning this to a game thread won't really make this thing accessible. Oh, we also need to pass the in data. This kind of voxel thing. Let's create a new function. And we need not only a function, but actually a delegate. A function and a delegate. And I think it's going to be one param. Yeah. App. Voxel. Add voxel. Add voxel signature. Signature. And it's just going to house like an vector of all possession. And that's gonna be great, I think. Alright. Hmm. What was I? What was I doing again? Add voxel signature. And I need to actually pass it into the scan voxel pane, yeah? Signature. Add voxel delegate. Copy this. Put this in here. Let's also declare a quick function. So that thing for us. Add voxel function. Oh, and it's going to like take an int vector of proposition. And that's basically it. Gonna copy it. Gonna put it somewhere over here. Wait, why am I putting what rel position am I putting there? F now. Oh, yeah. Makes sense. This makes a lot of sense. Yep. I just need to grab this. Gonna be fine. I need to go add voxel delegate dot broadcast? No, dot execute. Or something. I think it's execute. Oh, wait. Why am I guessing? I think here's broadcast. But I don't think the broadcast was working. The last time we checked on the last stream, yeah, it probably wasn't working. I'm kind of sleepy. Execute. I think there was like an executive bound or something. And we need to pass in the proposition. Yep, and this is actually pretty great. We just pass in an add a voxel delegate here. Oh yeah, the voxel delegate. We've got this one. And now we can actually work with this. So first things first, let's define an app causation data. It's like colleges data. Data dot controller is equal this data dot division factor is equal to subdivision factor. Data dot division levels is equal to subdivision levels. Vertical axis. Vertical axis. And voxel size. Yep, this is the data structure. I'm going to pass it in here. Data and the delegate. How do we pass in a delegate there? I would honestly want to pass it like, I'm sorry. And like a pointer to a function, but a delegate is basically a pointer to a function. So yeah, I guess F, add voxel, signature, add voxel, delegate. If I compile, will it compile? Because I think this, I cannot really work well with it not knowing about this type, and it will know after the compilation is done. I think my avatar is lagging a little bit. Oh, it didn't compile. It's not supported by Blueprint. Can voxel that add voxel. Wait, what? What's the problem again? Can I compile this again? No, same issue. Error type multicast delegate is not supported by Blueprint. What? Can voxel that add voxel delegate. So do you not like the Blueprint callable thing? I don't really need to call it from Blueprint, so I can save it a little. Yeah. I hope it will compile. And it didn't. Oh, new errors. That's great. Executive bound is not a member of add voxel signature. Whatever. Fine, broadcast. Let's just do a broadcast then. Yeah. See, we cannot convert from wait a second. I know what's happening. The problem is because I'm giving it a pointer to this, and I should get the pointer to the owner. Yeah. File. Yeah, being a little bit stupid. Yeah, but it has compiled. Now let's try and bind the thing. Add voxel delegate dot add unique. If I go like add unique, not really what I want. Yeah. Remove process multicast. Get all objects. I mean, if I go just like add, what is this? Is bound. How to bind it? I'm pretty sure we bound it together on the last, like the last stream. Yeah, it was the thing. I'll just quickly Google it. Unreal Engine 4. C++. Delegates. ++ delegate. Find? I'll just go into here and see what we can find. Execute example usage. Payload binding delegates. Oh, yeah. I scratched my nose a little bit, and my avatar just almost lost the thing. Wait, it has? Wait, what? Here, look. That's like a bind function, bind U object, binds U object member function delegate. Bind static. Bind to an existing delegate object. I don't really want to bind it to a delegate object. Do I? I mean, why don't I have anything of that sort here? If I go like add unique internal, what is this? F script delegate in delegate adds a function delegate to this multicast delegate invocation list. If I go with just like add, and I need to pass in F script delegate. What is this? Const F script. Can I pass? What am I supposed to do here? Why can't I bind it? Multicast delegate bind. Oh, I need to use like add dynamic, but I don't see an add dynamic here. Or do I? Or do I? What is actually happening? It's dynamic multicast delegate with one parameter. It should be working. Wait, how am I binding it in the... I forgot that I'm already using some of this stuff in like a lot of navigation controllers, so let's just see how it's implemented there. Let's go here. And I definitely have a dynamic here. I have a dynamic. But I think it's just like, maybe it should go like this? Am I doing like that? No, I'm doing it with dot. Dot. What is the internal add dynamic? I mean, find this. Then I go like, you outlet now virtualization component, and it's like add voxel function or something. Well, let's work. Maybe this is gonna work. Maybe I don't even need an internal thing. Compile and see. If it compiles, then we're all good. If it doesn't, then yeah, that's bad. It actually compiled. Oh, I'm yawning. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm back. It is actually compiled, which is great. Now, time for some asynchronous tasks, huh? Go. Async task. Hmm. Yep. Did he help him? Now let's pass in E. Name threads. Not like any type right thread normal task or something. Basically, we pass in this and the parameters. The parameters top voxel size, rel position, data, and add a voxel delegate. Is this the correct syntaxes for this? I don't really remember. Let's quickly look this up. I don't really want to sit here and figure it out on my own. But where was the one we were looking at the previous time? Oh yeah, this is it. So then we pass in the params and where was I? Oh, we should also pass in the origin. And what are these X, Y, and Z things? And we also need to pass in the X, Y, and Z. Maybe I shouldn't do this like this and put. Maybe I should put all of this into an async task. What if that's the case? No, I don't think that's a good idea. Or is it? Nah. What is origin? What? Ah, wait. I need to pass in variables. L origin. Equals origin. Then I pass the L origin here and make it used here, I guess. That should work nicely. Yeah, now the scan voxel should actually be called inside of an async task. But let's just copy this real quick because we do need to assign this, the returning sequence, the game thread. So let's quickly do that. Game thread, and the only thing we should actually pass to it is add a voxel delegate first and rel position. And this should be good. This should actually be good. Let's compile and see where this brings us. What funny errors are we gonna get this time? No errors. It's actually compiled. Wait, what? Compile? Fine. Close this. Let's restart Unreal real quick and see if this crashes or not. It'll be funny if this actually crashes like my computer or something. That would be an undesirable way of ending the stream. Yeah. Yeah. No one wants that, I guess. So let's have a look. Let's clear the visualization and press voxelize. Huh? Why is it stuck? What's happening? The biggest question is why did nothing happen? I mean, it's literally like calling for voxelization and stuff, but it's never done. It basically is never done. What? That shouldn't be the case. Voxelization. Wait, it says voxelization completed? What? It isn't supposed to say voxelization completed though. Oh wait, it is. It is saying the voxelization is completed. So maybe let's put this whole cycle, this whole loop into the sync task or something. I mean, not sure if this is a good idea, but why not? Top voxel x count, top voxel y count, and top voxel z count. And there is also this thing. This comes from data. Nice. Let's do the whole loop asynchronously. Maybe that will help. I'm not sure. Honestly, don't really know what's happening now. What if it refuses to run in the editor mode? That would be bad, actually. That would be bad. Because I have actually only tested it in like in game. But I mean, we can run this in game, no problem. We can try running this in game. And see if this is working. I hope that this is not the problem. Calling for voxelization, yeah. Nothing happens. Yeah, not cool, not cool. Calling for voxelization and nothing happens here. That's honestly not good. That's not good. Does this happen? I wonder. Maybe the problem is with something like, maybe the delegate isn't working the way it's supposed to be working or something. Oh guys, it's really starting to feel sleepy. Where is the voxelization finished functional? Oh wait, there is none. No, there should be one. Okay, here it is. Voxel. Edit. Or something. Compile. You want it to compile, so we'll restart it again. And do some more testing. Yep, it's launching. And we'll see if this actually works or not. Yep, let's check it. Go here, clear. Yeah, it's stuck for some reason. Oh. Oh. Why is it lagging? Happening to it? Unreal is stuck. Yeah, that's based. But, I mean, at least those debug lines appeared. It means that there is something wrong with the delegate. And that's much better than anything, like, really, anything else, really. Because if that wouldn't be working in, like, the game thread, the non-game thread, and the game thread, that would be pretty bad. But this is actually pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. So if I hit voxelize again, if funny enough. Oh. I think these things might be the cause of it stacking in stack for so long. Now let's quickly eliminate that. We don't really need that. Something weird is happening with wait, let's copy it here. And see how this works. So it's just been stuck here. Oh, yeah. It hasn't been stuck for so long now. Yeah, finally. So let's hit compile. And restart it with the engine again. Yeah. Here we go. Yep. Unity, the fetch red. I believe that is correct. But this is a night core card. Now let's hit voxelize. Let's see it being stuck again. Oh wait. It isn't stuck. It's stuck. So the delegate isn't being called. That's the problem. Why though? Shouldn't it be found? I mean, I'm pretty sure it should be bound. Maybe this isn't the correct type of delegate or something. Yeah, let's quickly open up our test project for async stuff, and then we'll just copy the delegate type. Maybe it's not like a multicast delegate, because I totally remember using different functions in order to like find things and broadcast the last time. Yeah, so let's just open this up and see. Well, I worked on this project like with the async tasks, like I believe it was 3 or 4 days ago. Feels like an eternity, honestly. Pretty weird. Why is this so small? Yep, now it's good. Declare dynamic delegate one param. It's not a multicast one. Let's not do the multicast. Let's just do the our good old defaulting. Declare dynamic delegate one param. And now, like, going to be execute if bound. I believe to go here and see ourselves. Now let's just execute. Oh no, I think the executive bound is also very much working. And it's not in a dynamic. It's something else there. Bind new function. So let's bind new function. This is the new object. And then we need function name. Go add voxel func and so I was just like, yeah, passing in the text and calling that a day. No, I don't think we need the sync task project anymore. It should be working pretty good now. Let's compile and see for ourselves. Yeah. And I mean, as soon as this is working, I guess I'm gonna finish the stream. Because I'm really sleepy. Let's restart. I just want to get the voxelization thing parallelized, run in parallel, and it will be great. It'll be like great for today. I should really sleep for more than 3 hours a day. I only slept 3 hours the last night, but yeah, it feel good. Let's run the voxelization thing. That is calling the voxelization and nothing is happening. Again. Why? Why is nothing happening? Abandon a new function. We're executing it if bound. Maybe like just executing it. Compile? Compile? Restart. Yeah, an endless cycle of compile and restart. Yeah. Alright. Clear visualization. Take the voxelize stain. Oh, and we actually managed to crash the editor. Failed to find function. I don't know how you failed to find the function. What do you... How? How do you fail to find a function which is literally all there? I guess I closed that project too soon. Now let's open it up and have another look. Test. Because I'm pretty sure everything is fine here. Yeah? It should be. Oh, we should also somehow figure out how to do the voxelization finished. But I don't think we're going to do this stream. I think we're going to this. To like voxelization finished detection. Because this is actually a topic I've been thinking about for like a few weeks, maybe almost a month, and I still don't have like a super valid option to do that. So I can't really do that today, especially when I just want to sleep. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's happening here. Basically, we're declaring a delegate. Yeah, we're declaring a delegate. Then we go delegated bind your function. You name threads, delegate. And here everything works fine. It absolutely does work fine. Even though the out delegate function is after this thing. So here it doesn't really work for some unknown reasons. Yeah, this isn't great. Binds a U function to this delegate. The name of the function to call. So it just isn't finding the function, it's just calling. That's actually pretty strange. Because it should be finding the function. Find U function. I mean, what's wrong with it? I mean, here's the function. Wait, it's not supposed to be static or anything, is it? Let's go into here. Out delegate and stuff. And yeah, the out delegate is pretty much public function here. Oh, wait. It is entirely possible that I have to declare it in the public sector. And I believe I declared it in private or protected. So let's actually declare this here and see if this works. Well, because that might be possible because it cannot find the thing. Because it's not actually exposed to public stuff. Go down, down, down. Lights go. Yeah, like nightcore music. I don't know, I've been listening to it for the past month or something. Different mixes, and it just feels good. It just feels great, yeah? So, it has compiled. I don't really need this, I believe. I hope so. So yeah, nightcore just feels awesome to listen to. I don't know why. I'm sorry for yawning in front of you. I'm not even sure if my mic is picking it up. I mean, the mic is certainly picking it up, but the noise cancellation algorithms, they can just cut it out, really. So save. And I guess let's try running the thing. Voxelize. Yep, it's stuck and it has crashed. Yeah. Failed to find function at voxel. It's Scarlet not voxelization component. That's pretty weird. Let's Google it. Delegate. Yeah, somebody had some problems. Let's see. Trying to find my function, but it's accent stable. I couldn't get it work yesterday, but managed to do it eventually. However, today doesn't work again. I'm missing something. Why do you use getOwner? Your class is derived from a character, which is derived from a pawn, and from a actor, which is the on-take point damage that I get declared in it. That's not something I don't want. Well, that's not something I want. Executive bound is great. It prevents the crash. But I mean, if it can't find the function, the bound won't work either. I need to just figure out why this doesn't work. Delegate. Oh, I have a delegate. I think I should have a delegate. Find you. Find you. Function. Let's read some docs. Remember the function delegate. Please keep a weak reference to your object. You can use executive bound to call them. That's great, of course, but that's not something I want. Tutorial. This is like a dynamic multicast delegate. You cannot find the function. I mean, what's wrong with it? What can be wrong with that? Oh, not sure. What is actually happening? I guess I have to open it. To open that project again and look at it more carefully or something. I mean, I looked careful enough, I think. What is wrong with the thing? I'm not sure. It certainly shouldn't be static. That's for sure. Oh yeah, I feel real sleepy. What if there is some like super stupid mistake somewhere here? That is entirely possible, honestly. Let's go and let's check. Then again, oh, I shouldn't reopen it full screen. It open it like this. Hmm. So int count, new function blueprint callable. I mean, that's the only difference between the functions. Hmm. Delegate. Oh, this is actually running in any background thread normal task. Not in just any thread normal task. So let's use this instead. Hmm. I am passing in the add voxel delegate. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not sure if this is even bound. Huh, that's... I mean, is it bound after this? Is it failing here? I mean, what if I go add voxel delegate? Yeah, add voxel delegate and execute it. Like with... like with a 0, 0, 0 vector. Something. I mean, doesn't really matter. And here we go with executive bound. We save. Close this for now, so it doesn't take up too much performance. Yeah, we're actually starting to run low on time. Yeah, in 15 minutes I'm probably going to end the stream, even if it fails to do this. Yeah, because I still have some things to do, and I also really want to go to sleep. Yeah. I wish I could just stream and not have to do any other stuff. Oh yes, sweet dreams. So good news that it feels like somewhere over here. Why this good news? I mean, those are good news because it's not failing because we're passing in functions and passing it through the functions and stuff. But the bad news are that I don't really know what's happening here. Because I am pretty sure this should be working. Now let's see. In this tutorial, now static function. Yep, they're using a static function here, just as I thought. How do they bind it? They don't really bind in it here, because unfortunate. But they're executing it. inside of a game thread. Hmm. Why can't it find a function? In functioning. Maybe let's make it blueprint callable. I don't know. It's literally the only. Oh, that's literally the only difference between the function here and the function in like in the sync test project. That's the only difference between the two. Whew. Oh, that's. I'm coughing. That's not great. Am I getting healed? That would be awful, honestly. Yeah. Let's see if this fixes the thing. Go clear visualization. All the voxelize. Have you seen this? This is working. It is working. Wow. It is working. I mean, it's stuck for some reason. I'm not sure why or what is happening. Maybe it's because of the like all of those stupid printouts. That might be the case. But it is working. It worked. I mean, the engine is still frozen. Yeah, the engine is still stuck. Unreal. Please, can you unfreeze? Oh, is it unfreezing? Yeah, it froze. And I think if I like run it again, it shouldn't freeze that much. Did it? And it freezes somewhere in the end, for some reason. And it's running the whole thing fine. It freezes somewhere in the very end. The first things first, let's just remove that stupid printout. Because it is entirely possible that there are just too many of them. You could see that it was working, like generating those voxels for not at the same time, but it was going from here to here. Some kind of process or something. Yep. So let's recompile. Maybe it's those stupid printouts, but I actually doubt that are stupid printouts. But I mean, after the sync task, there is basically nothing happening. So I'm really not sure. Wait. Since this is all running inside of an async task, I think the voxelization finished can be just. Maybe we can actually do that pretty easily. So, I still have a few minutes. Let's see if it printouts fixed like them. The phrase. The moment the printouts fix the phrases, you'll actually try to implement the voxelization finish thing. Yep, and it's not freezing anymore. And this is awesome. Like, just look at this. The engine isn't freezing. It's just generating the whole thing. I think I can even go like as low as 100 and it will just generate them consecutively. This is awesome. Oh wait. Is my avatar lagging now because of it? I mean it is lagging a little bit. Oh, I think it's lagging because of the amount of visualization. It's probably lagging because of the amount of visualization. And this is purely awesome. This is purely awesome. I mean, this thing just... I mean, it still goes on almost instantly. Yeah, great. This is great. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So, let's just really quickly define a new sync task here and do the voxelization finished. We don't really need to pass in any parameters, or do we? No, I think we do. Because we should do the voxelization finished logic in there. The voxelization finished delegate broadcast. Can I do that? I'm not sure. Let's find out. But I mean, it doesn't really know what this is and what voxels are. Yeah, I think I should. I should probably like declare another delegate for this. Voxelization finished should also become a public function. A public and blueprint callable function. Yeah. Also declare a new delegate for that. Oh, and can I go with no param or something? Is it doing the thing? I mean, I know this thing is a thing, but delegate no param. Oh, it's just declare delegate. That's great. App voxeling station finished. Signature. Down here. And go voxeling station finished. Delegate. Finished. Delegate dot. Find your function. You'd be able to bind a new function to it. I hope so. Declare dynamic delegate. Oh yeah, it just... I think it can figure out that this is a type or something. This f name text Voxelization finished. I hope that's the name of the function. Yep, it is. Dot execute if bound. Pass this in here and pass this in here. Execute if bound. Let's try compiling. Maybe it's not gonna work, but who knows? Compilation failed. Why though? Error. Voxelization finish signature conflicts with delegate function. Voxelization finish signature delegate signature. What? Oh wait, I have it already. F inner. Yeah, that's that's a very rookie mistake, honestly. Let's compile this again. See if this is gonna work. I hope it is gonna work. And it isn't working. Oh, a new set of errors. What is it even talking about? I think I should just compile it again. No? Hide class member? What are you talking about? What is this? What is it doing? Hiding it. Hides class member. Oh, I get it, I guess. Like, let's call it the inner thing. Pass it all over the place. Because I think it's just a class for evil. And it just doesn't like it. Doesn't like when these things occur. I mean, the C actually allows such things to happen. Yeah. Oh. No. And what's wrong here? Oh. Yeah. Completely forgot about that. Hit compile. And yep, let's restart the editor. See if this is working properly. I mean, right now we should be able to chain it like this comes first, and then we have the filtering stage, which is not really paralleled. Yep. So first let's just run it on anything, and I mean it works perfectly. Oh, and voxelization completed is actually being printed out. Enable. Let's go with filtering stage. I mean, is the filtering stage enabled? I'm not sure. What? Voxelization completed. And I want to know. Wait, what? Why is this happening? So, no, it's actually fine. Should be doing fine. I mean, the voxelization completed is only being called when it is actually completed. Hmm. That was my third. It was like my first thought that it is being called right away, but it's not. And the voxelization finished delegate should be called. Hmm. Like, nothing should be working. Why isn't everything working? Huh? We have the acceleration finished, delegate, add dynamic and all that stuff. And it's happening, but not really working for some reason. Hmm. Honestly, I'm not sure why. Enable a filter and visualization. I mean, the filtering stage is enabled right now, but it's just not being called for some reason. I'm pretty sure the filtering stage has like a notification. It also prints out that it has just started working. Let's check that theory. Hmm. No, it doesn't have that. Hmm. Maybe let's give it that functionality now. Hmm. So this card doesn't have controller, maybe. Oh no, this card doesn't have controller, should handle that. Hmm. Filtering called goes false. Anything? Maybe let's move it here for like test purposes. Compile it, close it. I mean, this is like, so the last tests I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do some last tests before I actually go to sleep. Not really get to sleep, I have to study history a little bit. Because I have tomorrow history and stuff at university. Yeah, that's clear. Okay. Why isn't it working? Should be working. Now let's just go like voxelize. Position completed. So yeah, the problem is that the delegate isn't being called. It used to work in the past. What's wrong with it now? I'm not sure. Yeah, before I touched anything here, it was working pretty well. I might have broken it then. Hmm. Hmm. It shouldn't be working like that. It should be working fine. Yeah, the localization finished delegated. The public variable. Executed a bound. It just goes off here. Maybe. Let's not make it multicast. What if we don't make it multicast? We just remove the whole multicast thing. Yeah. And then we'll go just executive bound and stuff. So executive bound. And in here we'll just go into the bind u function. This. Now go text and start filtering. Maybe all this will fix it. I hope so. Wait, but is the start filtering a public function? The public and yeah, and the blueprint callable. So it should work. I think so. Let's wait for the compilation. Quickly restart the engine. I should go to sleep. So if this isn't working, and it doesn't really matter if this is working or not. Yeah, this is the last time we're launching Unreal today. And last time it doesn't hear anything today. Analyzed. So, and it doesn't look like anything has really changed. That's weird. That's weird. I mean, it might be possible that it is not bound for some reason. But I think we're going to figure it out. Not today. Yeah. So, yeah. What is it? Control Shift F10? Yep. Fine then. Thanks for watching, everyone who might be here. But I doubt anyone's here, honestly. This stream wasn't active at all. For some reason. I think I'm going to figure out how to stream on Twitch in this weekend, and next stream, which is probably going to happen on a Monday or something, will probably be live both on YouTube and on Twitch. At least I'll try to do that. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time then. Yep. Where is the transition key? Here it is.